Hello all, this is Isha Kumar and Rohit Vashisht. We are Analytics Specialist Solutions Architect at AWS. Today we will be discussing a new feature of Query Editor version 2. The Query Editor version 2 is a web-based SQL client application. You can use it to author and run queries on Amazon Redshift. You can visualize your results in charts and collaborate with your team. Users often want to know metadata about queries they ran. So, we added a new Query History tab. This is located on the left panel below Charts icon. I selected Query History tab. It shows start time, status, duration of the query, and query text, as well as cluster and database which it ran. You can select how much history you want to see. In search, you have the option to search for query text or cluster name or database. Let's try to search by query text, region. It shows all queries with text region in it. Let's try by cluster name, demo London. You'll see all queries for this cluster. Similarly, you can search by database name. It shows all queries for this database. If you want more details on a single query, select the query and go to Actions. Here, you have the option to get more query details or open query on a new tab or its source tab. You can refresh here to get fresh data. Apart from query history, we have tab history. This is available on database section. Click here to get to tab history. This tab has no history. This tab had no history. Let me select another tab. You can select a query here and you can save it if you want. Or you can also get the query text. You can choose to open a query on a new tab or just simply get details. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.